Starting a textile company can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Today, I'm here to guide you through the essential steps you'll need to take. First things first, you need a solid plan. Think of it as your business blueprint. What type of textiles are you interested in? Are you looking at fashion fabrics, home textiles, or technical textiles? Each has its own market. Understanding your niche is crucial. Next up, research your target market. Who are your potential customers? What do they need, and how can you meet those needs better than anyone else? A bit of market research goes a long way. It might even inspire your unique selling point. Once you've got a plan and know your audience, it's time to think about your brand. What's your company's name going to be? It should be catchy and reflect the essence of what you're offering. Make sure it's unique enough to avoid legal issues down the line. Now, let's talk money. Starting a textile business isn't cheap, but it doesn't have to break the bank either. Consider your funding options. Whether it's your savings, a bank loan, or an investor, make sure you have enough capital to cover initial expenses like equipment, materials, and marketing. After securing some funds, it's time to get legal. This is where legalregistration.com comes in handy. We'll help you with the incorporation process, making sure all your paperwork is in order. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Once you're all set legally, it's time to set up shop. And this might mean leasing a space or setting up a manufacturing unit. Make sure your location supports your business needs, and think about factors like size, cost, and accessibility. You'll also want to consider your production processes. Will you manufacture in-house or outsource production? Setting up efficient and cost-effective production is crucial for scalability and meeting demand. Don't forget about suppliers. Building strong relationships with reliable suppliers is key. You want quality materials at a fair price, so take your time to negotiate and find the best deals. As you scale, you may want to explore distribution channels. Consider how you'll get your textiles to customers, whether that's through direct sales, e-commerce, or wholesale relationships. Streamlining distribution will help you reach a broader market. Marketing is vital to get your name out there. Leverage social media, attend trade shows, and get your products in front of potential customers. Even a simple website can work wonders when done right. Finally, patience is your best friend. Building a successful textile company won't happen overnight. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and adapt as you go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And remember, for all your business needs, legalregistration.com has got you covered. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your textile journey.